Hi, my name is Liam, and today I'm going to show you Crescat Venue, which is event production software tailor-made for venues of all types and sizes. Whether you've seen Crescat before or not, this video is designed to give you a concise rundown of our software and its key features. So let's jump in. When you log into Crescat on desktop, you will land in the dashboard. The dashboard calendar contains all of your venue's events for the month and acts as a starting point in Crescat. From the dashboard, you can create events, view event information, and apply filters. Let's start by looking at the filter drawer. Here you can filter upcoming events by project leader, event type, and room. This is useful for focusing on the events that you want to see. And as you will see later, Crescat always allows you to take information offline, for example by downloading daysheets. So how do we create an event? Well, it's super simple. Let's just click on a date and start filling out some basic information. We can select the event type and select the project leader. You can also add show times, contacts, rooms, shifts while setting up the event, or you can simply add these later. So let's take a deeper look at an event. When you enter an event, you first see an admin-only view of the event information. This includes event details, event assignments, room bookings, shifts, and contacts, all of which is editable by simply clicking the Edit Event button. You also have an event status bar here at the top, which is where you can keep track of the progress of each event. Within this admin-only view, you can see what crew members are assigned to the event, create shifts. You can view and add rooms to an event. You can add event metadata, such as venue configuration and event reports. Manage checklists with our checklists feature. Build invoices. And even store internal documents. You can further refine the flow of information by creating teams within Crescat. A team can only see the events and information to which their team was invited. And it's one of the ways in which information in Crescat may be shared on a need-to-know basis. Each team has their own calendar in the Crescat dashboard too. And another way in which we share information within Crescat is with the All Members view of an event. This is where the collaborative nature of Crescat really comes into play. All of the information you see in this window can be shared with external parties, such as tour managers, freelance sound technicians, etc. In this event view, you can view the event timeline and easily create new assignments. You can ensure the show runs smoothly with running orders. You can compile information in boards, request information in forms. For example, here, I have set up an advancing form to be sent to the artist's agent, where you can collect press assets, riders, travel details, for example. And you can even request documents in the Document Center. How do we share information with people? Well, it's as simple as inviting in an individual in the Members section. Once invited, they will get an email to create a free account, or if they already have an account, they will receive a notification. And you can even communicate with event members by email and push notification with the click of a button. If you're running a venue with many staff members, clear communication is crucial, and this is where our Members section comes into play. Within here, as an admin, you get an overview of who is working where and when, and where you have gaps in your staffing rota. You can assign shifts, check in staff, and even send reminders to staff members. And of course, you can download shift reports for payroll. Let's take a closer look at the rooms calendar. This is where you can see what's happening in each room or space in your venue. You can also set up a room restriction to prevent sound spillovers, for example. And you can download room usage reports. So venues work with lots of different people and companies on a daily basis. And within contact lists, you can ensure you keep up-to-date information for your contacts. Here you can see what events, contacts, and companies are attached to. You can even download partner reports to see how much work you've done with them, and ask them to update their information. But there's actually an even easier way to set up events that I haven't mentioned yet. With event requests, you can let customers request a date in your diary. By setting up a simple form, which can be kept private or published on your website, you can ask customers to select a date, a room, and time, and then fill out the details of an event. Once a request comes in, you can pencil, accept, or decline the event. But the beauty is that you don't have to replicate the information they provided. Crescat sets up the event using the details offered by the customer, which reduces errors from the venue's side. Of course, you can also hide the calendar's event names, or simply send the request form without the calendar. There's a lot more I could show you in Crescat today, but I'm going to finish up by briefly showing you the Crescat Companion app. When you open the Crescat Venue app, you have your own personal calendar, it contains all of the events that you have been assigned to, and the venue calendar, where you can see every event that's taking place in the venue. Let's jump into an example event. Here you can see the event overview details. You can access the timeline of assignments for the event, and even access running orders. You can see the boards and forms assigned to the event. You can edit metadata, manage to-dos with checklists, and even see the invoices. You also have access to the contact details of everybody that's a member of the event, and you can access documents as well. Any information changed in the app is immediately updated in the desktop version, and vice versa, ensuring that no information is lost or has to be inputted twice. So in this video, I have given you a brief overview of the key functionalities within Crescat Venue. And as I'm sure you'll agree, there's so much you can do in Crescat. We have built great functionality into the system while allowing you to customize the system to your workflows and processes. Using Crescat can save you time and money, help you avoid costly mistakes, and work more collaboratively with your team. If you think that sounds good, please feel free to get in touch. We'd be happy to hear from you. Thank you.